In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to integrate Gumroad with Kit. First, open Gumroad and Kit in your browser. To connect both platforms, you will also need an automation tool like Zapier. Once you are inside Zapier, create a new Zap. Now choose Gumroad as the trigger app. For the trigger event, select New Sale so the automation runs whenever someone purchases your product. Next, connect your Gumroad account using your API key. To find the API key, go to your Gumroad dashboard, open Settings, then go to the Advanced or Developer section and copy your API key. Paste the API key into Zapier and complete the connection. After that, choose Kit as the action app. For the action event, select Add Subscriber to Form or Add Tag to Subscriber depending on how you want to organize your audience. Now connect your Kit account and choose the form, sequence or tag you want new Gumroad customers to enter automatically. Next, map the customer information fields like buyer email address, first name, product name or purchase details. You can also apply tags based on which product customers purchased to create automated email funnels and follow-up campaigns more easily. Once everything is configured, run a test to make sure the automation works correctly. If the test is successful, publish or enable the Zap. Now every Gumroad buyer will automatically be added to your Kit email automations without any manual work. You can also create post-purchase email sequences, upsells, or onboarding campaigns inside Kit to increase customer engagement and repeat sales. And that's how to integrate Gumroad with Kit. Thanks for watching and goodbye.